In Korean skincare, rice is the key ingredient in beauty products that help to treat skin problems like redness, open pores, pigmentation, acne scars, and blemishes. Rice contains vitamin B, which boosts collagen production and makes your skin youthful. It also brightens the appearance of dull or tired-looking skin. In today's video, you'll learn how to make Korean rice cream for the face at home. To prepare this Korean rice cream, you need just 3 ingredients. 4 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that treat acne breakouts and sun damage and improve your skin texture. 1 tablespoon of sweet almond oil. Sweet almond oil has skin nourishing and moisturizing properties. It enhances skin complexion and gives it a healthy glow. 3 tablespoons of rice water. Rice water has anti-pigmentation and anti-inflammatory properties that lightens and brightens your skin. It also improves your skin texture. First of all, we have to prepare rice water. Take 3 tablespoons of rice in a bowl and wash it thoroughly 3 to 4 times. Now, add half a cup of water to a bowl and soak the rice in it for 3 hours. Strain it, and your rice water is ready. Take a container and add 3 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of sweet almond oil, and 3 tablespoons of rice water into it. Mix until everything dissolves. Your rice cream is ready to use. Store it in a cool and dry place, and use it within 2 weeks. After cleansing, take a small amount and massage on your face and neck until it absorbs. Use it regularly, and you will see visible results.